today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated skincare routine. So this isn't going to differ too much from my pamper routine. I'm doing some of the same things, but like the products are different. So yeah, this is like the most up-to-date video. My pamper routine was kind of pre-recorded, so it's a little bit older. But yeah, if you're interested in learning about some of the products that I've been using and loving, then just keep watching. Also, I got my hair cut, if you didn't notice, or if you're new, I got my hair cut. I had been rocking these like super cute swampy green ends that I was totally over. So I went into the hairdresser and she cut them off for me. I got 6 inches off, which was so much and it feels like a lot. I had really long hair, but like the last like 6 inches, like I said, were like really dead and just like kind of wispy ends. So like it gave me length, but like it was not nice hair. Like it was just all dead and the split ends were crazy. So she cut them all off. She also darkened my hair. So like my whole head is like the color of like my natural roots. But yeah, and then she also gave me bangs, which I'm obsessed with. They're just laying kind of funny because I like slept on them last night. So please ignore them, or if I'm touching them, I'm just not used to like them being on my forehead and so close to my eyes. So yeah, I'm trying to get better at not touching them. But if I am in this video, I'm really sorry. Please don't get too annoyed. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so to start off, before I even like start taking off my makeup or putting on my makeup, I love to use one of these headbands. I just found this one at, I think this was at Marshall's. Yeah, it was at Marshall's. It's really cute. It's really like stretchy. So when you put on your hair, I don't find it like messes up my hair too much, as opposed to like my regular like metal headbands would. And it has like a bow on it, and I think it's really cute. And it just makes sure like all of my baby hairs get pushed back so like they don't get too wet. And then I can like really wash my face without like my hair falling into the sink, because I really hate when that happens. So yeah, this one, it was like $6, but I did order one on eBay like a month ago. It just takes forever to come in, but they're like $1 or $2 on eBay. So yeah, if you just want to order it from there, you can totally do that. I got another yellow one, so I'm super excited for it to come in, because this one I need to throw in the wash. It's looking a little rough. Okay, so the first product that I use, I don't actually have with me because I used up all of it and I need to go buy more, but you'll see what it looks like in the thumbnail of this video, because the thumbnail of this video I had taken like previously, like prior to filming this one. So they're the e.l.f. Makeup remover wipes. I love them. I think they're like $3.99 Canadian. They're really, really good. I don't find they're too wet or too scented. They don't irritate my skin. I use about 2 wipes to take off all of my makeup, just to make sure that like it's all gone, and then I'll go into my cleanser, because I feel like it's kind of pointless to wash your face if you have like a full face of makeup on, because you're only really just taking off your makeup. You're not actually like cleansing your skin. So I highly recommend using like even like micellar water or anything, any kind of like remover, like makeup remover. Do that before, just with like a cotton pad, and then go in with your face wash. I feel like that will make a huge difference in your skincare routine. It will make sure that you're actually like cleaning out your pores and your skin, and you're not going to bed with makeup on, because that is literally, that is like, I don't think anything would bother me more than going to bed with makeup on. I honestly don't think I have ever gone to bed leaving my makeup on. And then what I've been getting into recently for like my face wash, I'm getting into more like hydrating products. So this is the Body Shop Vitamin E Gentle Facial Wash, and it has vitamin E and moisturizing, what is that, wheat germ oil? I don't really know. And this says that it's for all skin types, but I picked it up specifically because it said it was hydrating. I'd gone to Sephora a couple weeks ago and they did like a skin test on me, and they said that my skin was like extremely dehydrated, and because of that I have excess oil. So it's basically like my skin is overcompensating for the fact that I'm so dry. So what I have to do is put more moisture back into my face, and that will calm down my oils, because my skin will realize that like if I put oils in my face, my skin's gonna be like, oh, I already have oil like producing. I don't need to like continuously produce even more to like make up for it. Does that make any sense? It didn't make sense to me at first, but I looked into it more and it does make sense. Anyway, so yeah, this one's really nice. I find if you don't like heavy scents, you're not gonna like this, because it is pretty heavily scented. It's like, it's just like very floral, I think, and I wasn't expecting that for something from the Body Shop. I don't mind it, I can get by it, but yeah, if you don't like scents, I probably would steer towards something different. And to wash my face, I'll normally go in with one of my face brushes. So it comes with a bunch of different heads. This is just the one that I use. I don't normally use this one at nighttime, or sorry, I don't normally use it in the daytime, just because I'd already used it the evening before, and I don't want to use something too harsh on my face before I go in with makeup, but I do like to use this at night just to make sure that I've gotten like all the excess oils off. This one I just picked up from Amazon and it was really inexpensive. I think it was like $24. And like I said, I like to add oil and a lot of moisture back into my face. I only do this at nighttime. I don't do it in the day just because I don't want to like have extra illuminating skin in the daytime. I'll do this at night so I can kind of like just soak in, so that in the morning it's really nice. And there's 3 different ones that I like to use. The first one I just have in like a little sample container. I've gotten like 2 of these before. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. This one is so nice. It has little specks of gold in it, and I feel super bougie using it, so I like it. I just haven't gotten around to actually buying the bottle, which I probably should. And then I also really like the Josie Maran, I think that's how you say it, 100% pure argan oil. I think you can use this for your hair as well. I just use it on my face. I got this in a little sample from one of the sample bags you get when you order from Sephora. I really like it. I think this one's nice. I actually prefer the scent of this one as opposed to the Farsali one, but I mean they both do the job, so I can't complain. And then the last one that I have is from the same line of my face wash. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Overnight Serum and Oil, and it says with protective vitamin E and moisturizing wheat germ oil. So it basically has a lot of the same ingredients, but this is what it is. It's just a serum like oil that you put on your face at night. Makes your skin really soft. But yeah, I definitely would recommend, even if you don't have dry skin, if you have oily skin, I recommend putting oils on in the evening when you're not going out, because it will counteract like your body overcompensating producing oil, if that makes sense. And then this I'm obsessed with. I don't only just use this in like my night and daytime routine, but I'll use this to set my makeup as well. I really like this. This is the oh my god, I can't speak. The Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. This is for all skin types. I am so obsessed with it. I'm not the biggest fan of like the smell of rose, but because it has like a bunch of other stuff in it, I don't mind. I love this. It is supposed to be a little bit more hydrating, but you can use it just as like a refresher or again to set your makeup. I've been using this non-stop, and like, can you see where the little line is right there? I probably bought this like a couple weeks ago, and I'm definitely gonna have to pick up more just because like I really douse my face in it and I use it like 3 times a day. So I'm obsessed, and this was only $7 Canadian. So if you're interested in trying them out, I would definitely pick this up. I think they come in a couple different other scents that like are targeted for different things. But this is the one that I have. I just picked it up from Anthropologie and it's awesome. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention my moisturizer. I would obviously go in with this before not my setting spray, but like the facial spray I showed you. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It's intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin. This one's awesome, and you get so much. You get 170 grams. And this was, I believe it was $37. So it's a little bit pricier, but I was comparing it to some other products that you only get, like, sorry, this is 6 ounces. I was looking at other products that were only like 1 or 2 ounces and it was the same price. You get so much in here. Like, this is a huge container and you can use it for your whole body, but obviously I just use it for my face. I was recommended this by one of the girls at Sephora. She said this would be awesome for my skin. So I went back and picked it up later. And I really like it. It's not scented, it's whipped, so I find it absorbs into your skin. Like, when you put it on, it's like white if you put too much on, but like it absorbs into your skin fairly quickly, so I really like it. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with this, but I'm really enjoying it. And then the last product I have to share with you guys is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. So I've heard so many good things about this drying lotion. It's basically something that you put on spots that like haven't come up yet. So like, you can't put it on like any broken skin or anything like that, but you dab it onto like a pimple that's like going to come through, do you know what I mean? And then it's supposed to like dry it out. I think it's supposed to like take the redness down too. I really like it. I haven't used it that much, so I don't have like a full opinion on it, but I mean, there's so many good reviews. I honestly have not heard a bad one. The only thing is like, you have to be really careful with it. Right now it's shooken up. Is that the right tense? It's shooken up a bit. It's been shaken. Not like I didn't shake it like this or anything, but just from like bringing it from my bathroom and throwing it in my makeup bag, it's kind of mixed together. So the whole point of this is you're supposed to take it like once it's all settled and all the pink powders at the bottom, and then it's just clear liquid on top. You're supposed to take like a cotton, like a Q-tip, stick it into the very bottom, and then you dip into like the pink powder and then put it on your face, and you're not supposed to shake it. So don't look at mine as a good example. I need to put it back in my cupboard to settle until I use it. The girl at Anthropology where I got it, she told me to only use it like once a week just because your skin can become really dependent on it. So I don't want to use it too much, but that's why I don't really have like a full opinion on it, just because again I haven't used it enough, but I do have high hopes for it just because I know a lot of people love it. And yeah. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe down below. That way you never miss my face in your subscription box. But yeah, so if you guys have any other products that you've been really liking and that really work for your skin, leave them down below. I would love to find out. I love trying out like new skincare products. That was one of my New Year's resolutions, was to get into more skincare, and I definitely have. But yeah, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
And it's no whining, one time.